Hello our YouTube friends. Welcome to our brand new video. On this video we will show you how to view all your Google saved passwords using Chrome browser app. Now on your Android phone Chrome browser, tap to open the browser. On the new interface, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. When you tap on Settings you will proceed to tap on Passwords. When you tap on Password you'll be directed to another page where you will see all passwords of every sites you have ever visited which required your logins and password. As you can see these are all my saved passwords. To see or to view the password itself tap on any saved site password that want to view. Finally, you will be directed to input your security details for the password to be displayed. If you have gained something from this tutorial, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment there down as I have subscribed so that we can give a shout out to you as our new subscriber on our next video.